Hi guys, I forgot to mention in the air filter video that I got the air filter from Swedish Trucks in Rochdale, something like that. It's called something like that. I'll put a link in the description of that video anyway, and in this one. So I'm going to start with the engine degreasing. Now first of all I'm going to do bits of the gearbox, and then I'm going to go onto there. Mainly I just want everything clean. So for this job we've got some gunk. I've read some, I've already poured some into a little bit of a pot here. I've only got a little bit to the side here. So I'm going to put these up on this chair here, and then I'll put that brush in there, looking down, and then we can get on with it from there. So I know it's not the best angle for you guys and all that jazz, but I'm going to do a bit, and then I'm going to put a bit of a time lapse on, partly because I won't listen to music. So instructions just say into a clean tip and then brush on, leave for 10 minutes or longer if it's more stubborn. It does say cover all electrical connections, but it should be fine. And then wash off after done. So this is just the gearbox, so it's not that bad. It does say pour into another tub, which I've done to save contaminating the contents of the tub. So this will just turn it all into grime, and then we'll be able to just wash it off with a hose, and it all should come clean, or cleaner. Oh, that's the theory anyway. I know I don't really have to do this because it's just the gearbox, but I like things to be nice and clean, and so might as well do it. I've got the stuff to do it, so I might as well do it. Like I said, it's just turning everything, or it should turn everything just to grime and dirt, and then it will just wash off. So I'll do the gearbox and then we'll time lapse the engine one. Partly because it's a bit harder to do there. That's full of water anyway. There was supposed to be people here helping, or somebody helping me. So someone was meant to do this for me, like I worked on a different job. But in true form, that person let me down. Which, I'm going to say, if you're going to buy a bus with friends, make sure they're actually going to help you. Not just leave you like this. I know you don't see Chris, but he does help. So it's not aimed at Chris. That was a little bit of a rant. Aimed at others that said they'd help them, and then never ever 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 show up here. It's quite annoying. So I'm just covering what I can, and then we'll let it set, and then we'll spray it off and see where we're up to, and then we'll do another coat until it's clean. Where I'm happy that it's clean, basically. It's all mainly just soil and dirt that's on here, so you can see it's just soil and dirt. Nothing major. Right, well, no. I forgot to turn the camera on. I've done the engine bay. That's nearly dry. It's nearly been 10 minutes. So I'm going to go get the hose, set the hose up, and then we're going to hose it down. And I'll see you when I come to hose it down. What a tit I am. Not squish the hose with the door. I said let's not do that. It is quite windy outside.
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
And then we can have a look where we stand, and if we need to do it again. We can guarantee we're going to need to do it again. We're going to need to do it again on this back one here, because it is 1000% improvement, but there's still a few little bits that can come off. So the back board is now swimmy, but never mind. Never mind. Dry out a bit, because it looks like a bit of a starter back here. We'll go from there.
Perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time.